When I fly into a city, I see the smog and pollution from above. Yet, when I'm in the valley, I cannot see it. When I am immersed in it, it becomes invisible. Even chaotic dysfunction looks normal. Drama begets more drama. Stress begets more stress. Escape, distraction, emptiness. When I sit in a mountaintop in the light of consciousness, I can witness the ignorance and pollution of the mind. I rise above the suffocating air in the valley. I am aware of it. I watch it without judgment, because it just is. Come and witness with me on the beach, in the clear valley, in the roaring silence, with the only distant sounds of nature for company.